Okay, now we're looking at proverbs. Proverbs. So this is an O and it looks like proverbs, but actually you pronounce it almost like an A. So proverbs, proverbs. And then this is a long word, Ecclesiastes. 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 That's how it is. And you should practice that. Ecclesiastes. And then this is an easy one. Song of Songs. And then we have Isaiah. Isaiah. So this is an S, but it almost sounds like a Z. Isaiah. Not Isaiah. 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 And then here is Jeremiah. Jeremiah. And then Lamentations. Lamentations. So this is a long word, but you actually say it the way it's written. Lamentations. And then we looked at this one last week actually. It's Ezekiel, not Ezekiel, but Ezekiel. Ezekiel. And so kind of separating Ezekiel. Then here is Daniel. This is pretty simple. Daniel. And then Hosea. Hosea. And then this one is, it can be said in different ways depending who you ask. It can be Joel, like Joe with an L, Joel. Or some people say Joel. Just, I guess it depends on how you want to say it. Joel or Joel. And then this one also can be pronounced in two different ways. I say Amos. Amos. Some people say Amos, as if this is a U. Amos. Either way is fine. So you can say Amos or Amos. Either way, this A is very hard A. Amos or Amos. And then we have Obadiah. Obadiah. And then up here is Jonah. 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 And then this is an A. Micah, not Micah. Micah, almost as if this is a Y. Micah. And then Nahum. Nahum. It's kind of hard to say. Nahum. You read it the way that it's read, the way that it's written. Nahum. And then Habakkuk. 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 And then here is Zephaniah. So the PH is like an F. Zephaniah. Zephaniah. And then here is Haggai. Haggai. Haggai.